Alright guys, we'll continue our project. So in this video we're gonna create the AddArticle component. We're gonna create the form, and we're gonna send the data to the database, to MongoDB Atlas. Alright, so first of all guys, let's open code editor, and in the server side, in the package JSON, we're gonna install one more package which called concurrently. What it does is just help us start in the same time the server and the client. Let's stop the client, npm start react, okay, and let's stop the server, and we can in here we're gonna install the concurrently. So npm I, it's short for install, and -- save. We're gonna save it to development dependencies. So dev and currently, okay, start. Alright, so let's close for now. So in a server side package.json and the scripts, we're gonna add the server, okay, and the node mon, because we're using the node mon, and let's add the client. It's gonna be npm start and -- prefix and client. Okay, and dev, we're gonna add the concurrently. So concurrently, so we're gonna be npm run server and npm run client, and one more quote. Okay, so don't forget the comma. Let's save. Okay, well, I don't see the concurrently in here. What's happened? It's telling me the concurrently installed, but oh my god, I'm on the client. Guys, that's bad. Okay, okay, I'm gonna uninstall. So it sometimes happen. Install concurrently. Alright, so let's switch to the server. Oops, cd. Alright, so now we're in a server folder. Okay, sometimes it's happen. So npm install -- save -- dev concurrently. Alright, so let's close for now. So now it's installed in here, so everything good. So let's give a shot. So we're gonna start from the server, okay, server side, npm run and dev. Alright, so let's start the server and the client. Okay, let's go back, and one more thing guys, and let me show you what I wanna do. Let's open the app.js on the client. Now what I wanna do, I wanna just delete this guy. So let me cut this, and we're gonna leave the articles only, and we need to add the proxy in the client folder and the package JSON right here. So let's do proxy, and let's paste in here the path to the 8080 to the server. It's just help to make your life a little bit easier, you know. So we don't need all the time type HTTP localhost 8080. We just add the path like this, you know, to the articles in this situation. So all right, and let's go back. Okay, let's reload. And you see the blank. Let's add the spinner right here before the loading the data. So we're gonna show to our clients, you know, to the visitors, the spinner. So not only the white screen, so they will know the data is loading. All right, so let's do this. And I have a spinner. You can find it on Google, just any spinner, you can add it. And we're gonna add it in articles. In articles, yes. Right here, let's put this down, and we're gonna say, first of all, let's guys bring the spinner, import, I'm gonna name it spinner from 2 levels up, yes, and it's, what's the name, spinner-1.gif, so spinner-1.gif. all right, so here's the path, and we gonna say if no data post that length, which mean nothing, 0, you know. Then we want to add our spinner. So the path, to specify the spinner. All right, and in alt loading. And else we're gonna show the post. Okay. So let's see. Yep, you see the spinner right here. Okay, so let's style it a little bit. Let's go back right here. Width. It's gonna be 2 rem, and display block, because we want to move it to the center, and margin it's gonna be auto, and of course on the top and bottom gonna be 0. Now let's see. Let's reload. You see? It showed here, but okay, kind of small. Let's do the, like, I don't know, like 10 RAM. Let's try. Yeah, let's look better. All right, let's create the AddArticle component. So let's go back. Let's close the articles, and then in the package JSON app, and let's close this guy. Now in the client, in the components, let's create the component AddArticle.js. All right, it's gonna be functional. So ref c, okay, and let's add some text. Hello from AddArticle component. Okay, let's save. Let's open the app.js, and let's bring the AddArticle. So let me copy this guy, duplicate, and Ctrl-D 2 times, and AddArticle. All right, and down here, let's create the route. Let's copy again, and here's a type, guys. That's wrong, not tool, but path. All right, and here's not the render. Okay, let me just delete this, and component, it's AddArticle. All right, and here's gonna be add post or article. It's gonna be our URL, and let's go to the layouts in nav bar. Here's add articles, and let's add Yes, so we're not gonna use href. Let's Control D. It's gonna be 2, and okay, this is gonna be /, but this is gonna be / add article. All right, and let's, instead of anchors a link, let's add the link from the React router DOM. So let's import a link from React router DOM. All right, and let's Control D, select all the A and link. Just replace with the link. Let's save and let's open. We see the spinner, data load. Let's go to the article, and we don't see our article. Why? Add article, we see the URL in here, but we don't see our component. So let's go back to our app.js. Let's add exact to the main. Okay, let's see. Yep, so we see our add article component. If we click here on the home, and this is our main rendering articles. All right, so let's work on this guy. So we're gonna use the bootstrap form. So let's open the bootstrap form. Already been here, you can see. All right, I'm gonna grab this one, so I'm gonna copy. Okay, and let's close the app.js, and in here, let's delete. We're gonna render this form. Now we're gonna change, of course, the class, because in JSX, not the class, but class name. You already know, guys. So Control D, we're gonna select all the classes. I hope we're gonna select all of them. All right, so and we're gonna rename class name. Okay, and let's, in JSX, we're gonna add, let me show you, Control D, we're gonna select all 4. Okay, and it's HTML and with a capital F for, that's how it's work. And we're gonna change, we're gonna have the inputs for the author name, we're gonna have for the title, and we're gonna have for the article, it's text area gonna be. If you remember, guys, we create our model. Here's the title, article, and author name. All right. Okay. Here's gonna be the title. All right. Or author name. No, let's do on the top, author name. Author. Let's do in a lowercase. Author name. And let's add in here author name, and it's gonna be the type, the text, and form control, we don't need the ID, we're gonna delete, and we don't need this guy too. Placeholder, author name. Okay, we don't need this element, we're gonna delete it. And all right, looks good for, okay, and an input in a JSX we need to /, okay, because it's give us error. And in here is gonna be the title, oops, not this one, but just want a text, Here's gonna be the title. Type gonna be, of course, the text. We don't need the ID, delete, and / on the end of the input, and it's a checkbox. We don't need the checkbox. We need the so title and article. It's gonna be text. Here's gonna be the, let me grab, guys, the text area. Call this one, it's gonna be this div. Let me copy. Okay, let's go back. Let's just replace this guy, and it's gonna be HTML4. I'm gonna name it article, and article. Okay. Delete the ID. Okay. And should be work. So here's a post article. I think that's it. Let's see. We got our form. I don't see the button. Button. Why I can see it? Because let me fix this. I don't want to fix it footer. So let's go to the no, it's not in here. It's probably in a footer. Let's check the style. Yeah, let's just delete. We'll see. Yes. Okay. So let's style our form and component. All right. So we continue, close this guy, and we gonna use styled components, of course. That's what I like. I love styled components. Styled from styled components. Styled. Okay. And let's go here. Let's name main container like always. So let's create the variable const. Let's name it AddArticle container. All right. So it's gonna be styled that div to big ticks. Let's work with style. So margin, we're gonna say 3 rem. Yeah, 3 rem on the top and the bottom, and left and right outer. And padding, let's add the 4 rem, and width, it's gonna be 31.25 rem. That's for a main container. Now let's let's add the main container here. So let me let's add this guy, and let's bring it down here. Okay, and let's add another div with the class bootstrap class container. All right, and we're gonna put our form inside this container, and here's gonna be h1. We're gonna say add, oops, not like that, but add article. Okay, let's do new article. Okay, let's save. Let's see what's happened. All right, looks better, huh? So let's change the color and the color of the button. Let's say first, let's h1 font weight. It's gonna be 900, and color, we're gonna use the variable It's gonna be dark green. Yeah. Okay, let's see if it's changed, if it's work. Yeah, working good. Now let's style our bottom. Let's change the color and hover color. I'm gonna say BTN. We're gonna use the bootstrap class, which is primary, and we're gonna override the rules margin top. I'm gonna say in the top we want a 2rem and background, and we're gonna add the variable which is gonna be the dark green, and we're gonna add the border none, and let's do hover. Let's end hover, and we're gonna override the background with the variable. It's gonna be light green. Yep. Okay, let's save. Let's go. Let's see. Doesn't work. Why? Background. All right. Okay, supposed to work. Yeah. Okay. So, all right. Now, interesting part. Now we're gonna send the value of our inputs to the database, and we're gonna create a new article, new post. All right. First of all, where we're gonna start, we're gonna create the state, and of course we use the hooks. So we need to bring the use the state, right? State, okay, and right here we're gonna create our hooks. Const. It's gonna be the first of all. Let's do the title, set title. Okay, that's equal use state, and it's gonna be empty string. All right, so const. Let's do same for the article, and set article, use state. All right, and const author name. Okay. So set author name. I use state, not states, but state, and empty. Okay. So these hooks we're gonna use for our inputs. Okay. So let's see, guys. Let's open the browser. Control-Shift-I if you use Windows like me. So don't pay attention of these warnings. Let me see. Class, where is it? AddArticle. 29, 12, 10. Let's fix it. Let's fix. So the class. What's our class name? Class name? Yes, of course, we need the class name 31. Let me see right here. Name. Let's see. Class name 29, 12. Where I miss right here. Name. Let me see. Okay, we're gonna fix it later. Okay. And what I want to show you guys. Let's open the React DevTools. Let's find the AddArticles component right here. So you can see here's the 3 states which we just created, the hooks, 3 states. Okay, if we type right now in the input, you see nothing happen. The value doesn't change. Let's fix it. We need to grab the value which we add in the inputs. So let's go to our input and let's add right here change, and on change we're gonna use the arrow function, of course, and we're gonna change the state. First of all, for the author name, we're gonna grab this set author name, put down here, and we're gonna say e.target.value. Okay, let's see if it's changed something. Okay, in the author name, or I'm right in the author name, yes, right, author name. Let's change the value. Okay, it's changing. Okay, so let's do the same with the title and articles. So in the title, let me just copy this guy and put down here, and we're gonna set our title. There's gonna be the title. Okay, set title, target. Let's add same thing for the our text area. Let's add right here. Let's put right here. Set article. Article. Oh my god. Okay. All right. So let's reload. All right. So let's add the value. Okay. We'll grab the value. Okay, for all three states, for all our three inputs. All right, now we need to send this value to the database. So let's do it. All right, we're gonna use the Axios, of course. Import Axios from Axios. Okay, and we're gonna in a form, let's first do enc type. I guess, yeah, enc type. We need a tell, so we're gonna send the multi-part form data. Okay, and on submit, we want to how we're gonna call it, change on click. Yeah, let's do on click function. Okay, change on click. All right, so let me copy this function. Let's create it. So the magic gonna happen when I'm gonna click the button. So const change on click arrow function. We're gonna argument e, and we're gonna say that prevent default. Okay, for those who don't know what's mean the prevent default, let me show you guys. Okay, let me comment it, let me save. Okay, let's go to our form. When I press the button, you see the loading. Okay, the page loading, we don't need it. We just add the prevent default, and it's what it's do. Just we click, nothing happen, doesn't load the page. All right. So this is for those who don't know. All right. So let's continue, and we're gonna create the variable const. We're gonna name it articles. Okay, it's gonna be the object, and we're gonna say we need the state. We're gonna put the state, the title, the article, and author name. And now we need to send to the database, and we're gonna use the Axios. So Axios that post. We're gonna use the post, the URL. Gonna be the articles add. Okay, and we're gonna bring the articles, okay, this variable right here. Oh my god. Then res the function, and we want to console.log. We're going to receive the message if everything good, if data is sent, data. Okay, and let's catch the error. Any error, we want to catch it. Catch. We're going to say error function, and of course we want to console.log and error. Okay, let's save. It should be work. It's supposed to work, because let's check. Let's go to our article. Let's go to the console. So we're gonna see if data sent. So it's gonna be the message data is sent. So let's, I don't know, like test one. Test one. Doesn't matter. Okay, so let's send. The new article posted successfully. All right, so we send the data. All right, let's check our atlas. Let's refresh. Okay, test one. Okay, good. Let's see in our app. Let's go to the main page. Oh, doesn't work. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, and our test in here, article. All right, so let's go back to add article. What we're gonna do, if we, okay, let's say again, test 2, and test 2. So if we send, okay, right, each child should have unique key. Okay, let's send. So we send successfully, but we want to clear the inputs after we send it. Okay, to do that, we're gonna fix it, guys, don't worry. So to do this, let's go back, and after articles, we're gonna say set title. We want an empty string. Same thing for the articles. We want an empty string too. And for the author name, let's copy and add. Okay, let's save. Let's check. Let's test 3. Password. We're gonna change it, guys. Test 3 and test 3. Okay, let's send. And it doesn't clear where. Let me see why it doesn't clear. Because of course, guys, we've okay, we need to set the value in here. We forget to set the value. It's gonna be title right here. It's gonna be for the article value, and for the author name here, value, author name. Okay, but you can see let me check all the data we sent in here. Okay, so let's to the article. Let's check the test 4. Doesn't matter. Here's the test 4 and test 4. Okay, let's send, and it's clear. Okay, let's see what's happening here. An article, each child in list should have unique key. Okay, let's fix it. Let's go to the articles right here. Well, not in the class, right here. We're gonna say key equal key. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, error disappeared. All right, so we send the data. Okay, and Let me see what time. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna continue on the next video. What we're gonna do? Okay, we're gonna make this title clickable, so we want to see the details of each articles. Okay, so and next video I'm gonna upload in 2 months. No, I'm joking, guys. Tomorrow, the next day after this video, and the next day I think I'm gonna upload we're gonna make each articles show up with individual, and we're gonna also edit and delete in one video. I hope we're gonna make. I don't like the long videos, Okay, so good. I think I don't forget. Okay, let's fix this, guys. Let's fix, before we finish this video, we're gonna fix this in articles. Wallet address href. Okay, it's screaming on hrefs. Where's href? Let me see href here. Okay, let's add the 2, and it's edit article. Gonna be, let's add for now just / we're gonna fix this next video. And in here, so 2, and for delete, actually let's add, guys, edit article, and in here and delete article. Well, actually I think it's not gonna have any any routes, all right, just let's leave for now like this. Okay, let's change to button in here and in here. Button, yeah, and here I think we're gonna add the link. Let's import it now. Let's import from the React Router DOM link from React Router DOM, and let's replace link. Okay, let's save. Let's see what's happened. Link is not defined. Link is not defined because I have a type on here. So link. Okay. Edit articles. Okay. And good. Okay. So we create the add article. I think, guys, we finished for this video. So, alright, guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to click like button, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to not miss any new videos or projects. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye.